In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort trade history on MetaTrader 5. If you've been navigating through the world of trading and using MetaTrader 5 as your platform of choice, you'll know just how crucial it is to keep track of your trading history. Sorting your trade history effectively can help you analyze your past performance and make informed decisions moving forward. So let's dive into the process. Step by step. First, begin by opening the MetaTrader 5 platform on your device. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen, where you will find the Toolbox panel. This is your central hub for accessing various features, including trade history. It's important to be familiar with this panel, as it will serve as your main point of navigation for the next steps. Within the Toolbox panel, you'll see several different tabs. For this task, you'll want to click on the History tab. This tab is specifically designed to store and display your trade history. It's a valuable feature that allows you to view and manage past trades efficiently. Now that you're in the History tab, take a moment to look through the list of trades. Right-click anywhere within this trade list to bring up a context menu. This menu offers several options to customize how you view your trade history. It's a handy tool for organizing and filtering data to suit your specific needs. Among the options that appear, you will see a few distinct choices: All History, Last 3 months, Last month, and Custom Period. These options give you flexibility in how you view your trades, allowing you to focus on shorter or longer time frames as necessary. Selecting All History will display every trade you've made, giving you a comprehensive overview. Opting for Last 3 months or Last month can be particularly useful if you're looking to analyze recent trading patterns and outcomes. If you choose Custom Period, it enables you to set a specific date range, which is ideal if you're interested in examining trades from a particular stretch of time. Take some time to experiment with each of these options to find the one that best fits your analysis goals. By sorting your trade history, you can identify trends, review performance, and refine strategies with greater precision. In conclusion, understanding how to sort trade history in MetaTrader 5 can significantly enhance your trading strategy and performance review process. By following these steps, you'll make the most out of your trading platform and keep your focus sharp on improving results. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!